Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Once again, it's your boy Funsho Samson, and I'm here to bring you good and glad tidings. As usual, I just like to start by saying massive thank you to all of you who have been there since day one. Those of you who have subscribed to this YouTube channel, I obviously want to say thank you for all the support and all the love, and I'm really grateful. And for those of you that haven't subscribed yet to this channel, this would be a perfect opportunity to do what? To hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can get first-hand information whenever I drop new contents. So today's video is just going to be showing you how to trade, because some people feel I don't have the knowledge, I don't have the skills, I don't have the technical know-how, I've never actually traded before in my life, so this might look a bit difficult for me, especially when you're manually trading on Cotp. The good news is you don't have to worry long anymore, because you don't have to have prior training, you don't have to have prior experience in trading and all that, because it is very straightforward. Artificial intelligence is helping you to do your trade, and all you need to do is just click the trade button for competing and then confirm whatever trade you like. That's all you need to know. And for those of you that would prefer automated trading, where you don't have to do it manually, you just let the artificial intelligence robot do it for you, then you can choose that option, pay for it, and subscribe. There you go. So very quickly, for those of you that are trading manually and you want to find out if it's even worth, jumping on the bandwagon, because you don't want to be trading by yourself and you don't know how to, you don't have the confidence to, just give me few minutes to quickly show you exactly how to trade on Cotp. See you.
So I've got 1,000 in my wallet balance. All you need to do is immediate competition for orders. So you click. As you can see, this is the certified supplier. This is the market price, 79.19. Transaction price is 80. Am I happy with it? With this amount of order, will I make enough profit? Yes, I think that's decent enough for me. So I'll click on sell. It should show me how much profit. So that's a profit of 1.32. Confirm. So this is very realistic, guys. You don't make like $5 or $20 on a little amount of money. Depending on your capital, you can make as much as 10, but depending on how much you've actually invested. So this is another one, 123, 75 to 125, buying as much as 313 USDT, sell. So yeah, I'm quite happy with this. Okay, confirm. Immediate competition for orders. Again, click. So I have to keep trading until I use up all my wallet balance. So that's how it works. Sell. Okay, 0.474 profit confirm. So I've only got 89 USDT left. So let's use up this money. Let's use up this money. Let's use up this money and make some more. Let's make some more cheddar. 62. So we've got a few more left. Profit of 0.186. 27 USDT left. Let's make some money. Let's make some money. Let's get it. Let's get it. Okay. So 8. Not bad. $23. So as you can see, confirmed. As you can see that it has moved into the transaction. So it's currently, the funds are currently in transaction and they'll be there for the next 2 hours. Now I have only $4 left in my wallet balance. Let me compete for trade and see what happens. Boom. The balance is lower than 5, failing to compete for others. So once your balance is lower than 5, it will not compete for others. So sometimes what I do is I come to where my team is to see if I have any residual income. So at the moment, I haven't got any residual income, but if I had like $1 here as residual income, I'll just click on receive, and then he adds it to my wallet balance, making 5, and then I can compete for orders. So that's how it works, guys.
Welcome back, guys. So like I said, that's just it. Very brief and very straightforward, to the letter. Very direct. You've seen it all yourself. That's all you need to do every 2 hours. When the money moves back from your transaction wallet into your wallet balance. So you have nothing to worry about at all. Every 2 hours you come back, your money is back into your wallet balance, and then you can initiate a trade again or compete for trade. So that's just it, guys. As simple as that. So nothing to worry about if you're still, hesitant, if you're still doubtful, if you're still thinking twice, guys. Wait for my next video where I drop my next withdrawal. And not in any way influencing your decision making, but I think personally, from my little experience on trading platforms like this is pretty much good, and I'm loving it so much. I'm loving it so far, so good. Okay, guys, thank you guys if you have watched to the end, and this is where I'd like to say, if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button now before you forget again, and the notification bell if you love our videos and you want to be getting first-hand information whenever I drop new contents. Okay, having said that, guys, have a wonderful day, and let's keep winning.